Welcome everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about how to love yourself. In a world that constantly tells us to be better, faster, and stronger, many people forget the importance of loving themselves. We often compare our lives with others, judge our weaknesses, and ignore our own needs. Self-love is not selfishness or arrogance. It is the foundation of mental peace, confidence, and a healthy life. Learning how to love yourself is one of the most powerful skills a person can develop. This script explores what self-love truly means and how it can be practiced in daily life. Understanding self-love. Loving yourself means accepting who you are, including your strengths and your flaws. It does not mean believing you are perfect. It means respecting yourself even when you make mistakes. Many people believe self-love comes naturally, but in reality, it is a learned habit. It begins with the way you speak to yourself and the value you place on your own well-being. Accept yourself completely. The first step to self-love is acceptance. You must accept your past, your appearance, your personality, and your journey. Everyone has regrets and imperfections. Holding on to shame or guilt only creates inner pain. When you accept yourself, you free your mind from constant self-criticism. Acceptance does not stop growth. Instead, it creates a safe space where growth becomes possible. Change your inner dialogue. The way you talk to yourself matters more than you realize. Many people are kind to others but harsh to themselves. Negative self-talk slowly destroys confidence and self-worth. Replace thoughts like, "I am not good enough" with, "I am learning and improving." Speak to yourself as you would speak to someone you deeply care about. A kind inner voice builds emotional strength and self-respect. Set healthy boundaries. Loving yourself also means protecting your energy. You cannot please everyone and you should not try to. Saying no is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of self-awareness. When you allow people to disrespect your time, emotions, or values, you slowly lose connection with yourself. Healthy boundaries teach others how to treat you and remind you that your needs matter. Take care of your body and mind. Self-love is shown through actions, not just thoughts. Taking care of your physical and mental health is a powerful form of self-respect. Eat nourishing food, rest when you are tired, and move your body regularly. Mental care is equally important. Take breaks, spend time alone when needed, and seek help when you feel overwhelmed. Caring for yourself is not a luxury, it is a responsibility. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison is one of the biggest enemies of self-love. Social media and society often show only the highlights of other people's lives. Comparing your behind the scenes with someone else's success creates unnecessary pain. Everyone has a different path, pace, and purpose. Focus on your own progress instead of measuring yourself against others. Your journey is valid, even if it looks different. Forgive yourself. Holding on to past mistakes can block self-love. Everyone fails, makes wrong choices, and learns through pain. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting lessons. It means releasing self-punishment. When you forgive yourself, you allow healing to begin. Growth becomes easier when your heart is not heavy with regret. Celebrate small wins. Many people wait for big achievements to feel proud. Self-love grows when you recognize small efforts and progress. Celebrate showing up, trying again, and surviving difficult days. Every step forward matters. Acknowledging small victories builds confidence and motivation over time. Spend time with yourself. Learning to enjoy your own company is a powerful form of self-love. Spend time alone without distractions. Reflect, write, walk, or simply sit in silence. When you are comfortable with yourself, you stop depending on others for validation. This inner connection brings peace and clarity. Conclusion. Loving yourself is a lifelong journey, not a destination. It requires patience, honesty, and daily effort. When you accept yourself, set boundaries, practice kindness, and forgive your mistakes, you build a strong relationship with yourself. Self-love does not make you selfish. It makes you whole. When you truly love yourself, you live with confidence, peace, and purpose, and you become better able to love others as well. Thanks for watching.